empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wambui and I want to just do this video as a motivation, a cleaning motivation. This is after Christmas and I want to clean this huge load of utensils. I hope you're going to get motivated to clean up in this festive season. I'll do a lot of talking in this video, so stay tuned until the end. It's a short one.
All around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
I started off by packing this excess chicken that we had not cooked and every other food that was in the sufurias that we had not eaten, that we had remained, sorry, so that I will have everything cleaned up.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
This is one of the most escaped tasks at home and especially during festive seasons. Nobody loves being left to wash utensils. Maybe you can comment below how you're dividing this task because everyone tends to run away from it.
We are heroes tonight. From town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
I think the best thing to do, especially during these festive seasons, is just cleaning the utensils as they come. Don't wait for them to pile up, and if they do, just divide the task amongst yourselves. You can wash at least 2 people at a time, and that will be good to go.
You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
In case you have watched this video up to this point, I'm very grateful. Thank you for sparing your time to just catch up.
Somewhere let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. Yeah, all I wanted was you.
Bye bye guys, let me see you in my next one.